Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like it, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So if you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decoration in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video, the creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy my video, most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love my cake designs. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it. And also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself, my people around you. Allah Hafiz.